Hello. Welcome to the Fabrico.Design channel. We develop professional sewing patterns and make them available to every woman. Using our patterns and video instructions, you can easily sew any garment at home and feel like a designer. And today we are going to sew a Texas shorts. This is a semi-fitted knit shorts with side seam pockets. An ideal choice for men's summer sports. Attached waistband with elastic and center eyelets with a drawstring. Raw hem with a fixed elastic stitch along the bottom edge. As usual, you can download the PDF pattern of these shorts below the video in the description box. For sewing these shorts, knit fabrics such as 2-thread fleece and jersey are suitable. You can also need the elastic band, grommets, and a cord. Let's get cutting. It's highly important to decate the fabric before cutting to prevent it from shrinking during sewing. We lay out the patterns on the fabric observing directions of the grain line. It is indicated on the patterns. And trace the patterns along the counter. Do not forget to transfer all control marks onto the cutting pieces. So, cut the pieces. After cutting, double-check the number of pieces according to the pattern pieces list. And do not forget to interface the pieces as indicated on the patterns. Let's get sewing. Let's start with the pockets. Place the pocket bag and the front of the shorts face to face. Mark the frame along the notches. Top stitch the pocket bag to the front. Notch the allowance on the corners. Top stitch the allowances onto the pocket bag. Press, forming the frame of the pocket entrance. Pin the pocket bags face to face and sew on an overlocker. Place the front pieces face to face and sew along the middle seam on an overlocker. Press the allowances to the side. Pin the back pieces of the shorts face to face. Sew along the middle seam on an overlocker. Press the allowance to the sides. Place the front and back pieces face to face. Pin the inseam, matching the middle seams. Sew on an overlocker. Press the seam allowances to the back of the shorts. Sew the side seams on an overlock. Iron the seam allowances to the back. We are moving on to the waistband. Sew the waistband into a ring. Press the waistband in half. Pin the waistband at the waist, matching the notches. Sew the belt on an overlocker. Press the seam allowances down. Rip open part of the seam in the waistband. Use a safety pin to insert the elastic into the waistband. Make sure that the elastic is not twisted anywhere. Sew the edges of the elastic. Close the opening with blind stitches. Top stitch along the waistband according to the markings on the patterns. Overlock the bottom of the shorts. Press the shorts. Top stitch. Press the garment.
Thanks for sewing with us. Subscribe to our channel and publish your photos in different social medias and tag us. You can find the link to our website in the description box below the video.